Alright, we'll give you a tour of our base. Would you like to know? Yes. Follow us. Evan, move the camera. These are our special force, Mandalorians. They are free, are they not? Yes, but we are going to need more warriors in our army than just Mandalorians if we are over to take over the planet Mandalore. Follow me. Here is our ship area. We have converted this ship into not only just a ship, but our control center. Let us go inside and see what is going on. Men, anything new? No. I say we go to other planets and recruit some more warriors. What about you? That seems like a good idea. Shh, black. That means do it. Dun, dun. Okay. Wait, I'm ready. Ready. Okay. Now, come over here. Wait, where I am. You are not allowed in. That identification. Oh, I'll give you identification. You stop, Evan. Stop. You will let us in. We won't let you in. Oh, yes, you will. Let's go inside. Brother, lightsaber. Stay out here. We'll take care of this. Join our army, or else. Or else what? Lightsaber. Wait, hold on. Shh. Oh snap, his head came off. It is your choice now. We will join your army. But one condition. Yeah. Can you hold the first half? No! No, we need more soldiers to the Tatooine, where Jabba the Hutt can be found. Okay. Over here, Jabba the Hutt. Jabba the Wanga. Will you join our army? Jabba no wanna join the army. Brother. Jabba just get in. Jabba love armies. What army planet we taking over? Mandalore. I will supply you with troopers and food. Take off. Will you? Now we can attack them. But let's remember one thing. I am in charge. You will listen to me or else. You're supposed to point it like that. Right there, you idiot. Your hand is covering. Oh, that was yours. Else. I see. My thoughts. Cut.